Hi everyone, I am Sister Elisa Colton, and I'm excited to be your instructor this semester in our Life Skills in English class. I just wanted to teach you or tell you a little bit about myself, hopefully have you get to know me better and more than just a name in the course, but hope you get to know me as a person the best we can online, and that you'll feel comfortable coming to me with any questions and concerns throughout the semester, because I want you to know that I'm here for you, and I am excited for this adventure you're taking, and you're going to be right here alongside you. I just want to tell you about my family. I am married to my husband, Chaz. We have 3 daughters and a son. Our daughters are ages 6, 4, 2, and then a new baby boy that's 2 months old. So we love them, and they keep life busy and fun, and it's just an exciting stage to watch them learn and grow. Some of my hobbies are reading. If I could freeze time, I would, so that I could read as many books as possible. I don't read as much as I would like to. I also love to go running. Right now in Utah, it's winter and cold, so I don't do as much running, but I can't wait for it to warm up. Around March, I start running outside again, and it's my favorite. It's beautiful, and it is fun. I also like to do anything outdoors, so camping, we do a lot of camping and hiking. Here's a picture of my family in Yellowstone last summer. So that is something that we really love to do. As far as my education, I attended BYU Provo for my undergrad, and I got my elementary education degree. So I taught 2nd grade for 5 years. Then during that time, I attended Southern Utah University just online, so I know what you're going through. I received a Master's of Educational Leadership to be able to be a principal, so I could be, but want to do that probably just in the future when my kids are older and grown up, possibly be a principal of an elementary school. The last 6 years I worked as I would coach teachers of those teachers that have students that are trying to learn English, and so that's where my love for language and language learners comes. And I just quit that this last fall, and so I only do it very part-time. I do a training once a month for teachers, so I am able to be at home with my kids and just do my online job with you. So as far as online learning, we're all at different places, I'm sure, with your comfort with computers and online education, but I hope you know that I'm here to help you and help it be smooth. There are a lot of positives about online learning, and there are also some hard things about it. Like I said, I got my master's through an online program, so I understand those positives and those negatives. But I know that as we work together and as you put in great effort, that you will get out as much as you put into this. And I know it can be a great experience. It's flexible, but it also allows you to do some learning from no matter where you are in the world, and that's the incredible thing about the Pathway program. I'm here to, like I said, help and support you along the way. This path is a new journey, and it might seem scary to go down this new path, but know that we're all in it together, and that you have my support, the others in our class, and your Heavenly Father, who is there to help you through this new experience. I know that as we set goals for learning and success this semester, that in this course you'll strive to be a better community member, family member, church member, and in doing so that you'll feel that self-fulfillment and happiness. This last quote is something that I love, and it's never stop striving for the best that is within you. And it's Dieter Uchtdorf, so Elder Uchtdorf, that said that. And I know that you all have such wonderful talents and gifts that you come with, and that we still are always developing more of those. And I know that this course is going to help you do that. And I just hope that we have a wonderful semester, and I look forward to a great one. Thanks, everyone.